See here given two triangles and given two angles of each triangle. See first triangle ABC, angle A equal to 60 degrees and angle B equal to 70 degrees. Okay. And triangle DEF, angle D equal to 70 degrees and angle F equal to 60 degrees. Okay. We know total sum of the angles in triangle is 180 degrees. Okay. 60 plus 70 which is equal to 130. Okay. Angle C equal to 180 minus 130. Okay. Total angle equal to total sum of the angles in a triangle equal to 180 degrees. Here we know two angles and third angle equal to 180 minus 130 which is equal to 50 degrees. Okay. See, angle D equal to 70, angle F equal to 60. 70 plus 60, 130. Angle E equal to 180 minus 130. 180 minus 130 equal to 50 degrees. Here given two angles. Okay. These two triangles, corresponding angles are equal. Corresponding two angles are equal. So, corresponding third angle also equal based on the AA angle similarity criteria. Triangle ABC is similar to triangle angle A equal to angle F, B equal to D, C equal to E. Okay. Based on the angle similarity criteria, triangle ABC is similar to triangle FDE. Okay. Let's discuss seventh example. In figure, altitudes AD and CE of a triangle ABC intersect each other at the point P. Show that. Here given four questions. Okay. See this figure. Triangle ABC, bigger triangle. AD and CE are the altitudes of this triangle. Okay. Altitude. It forms a 90 degrees angle with base. Okay. This angle equal to 90. This angle equal to 90. CE is the altitude. Okay. It forms 90 degrees angle with base. Okay. See. First question. Triangle AEP and triangle CDP. AEP. AEP. This triangle. Smaller triangle. And triangle CDP. CDP. Here angle AEP, angle E equal to 90 degrees. Triangle CDP, angle D equal to 90 degrees. Okay. In these two triangles, angle E equal to angle D. Okay. See here, two lines are intersecting. We know two lines are intersecting. Vertically opposite angles are equal. Okay. Vertically opposite angles are equal. This angle is equal to this angle. Okay. Here angle P equal to angle P. Vertically opposite angle and common angle. Common angle. Okay. Based on the angle similarity. Similarity criteria, triangle AEP is similar to triangle CDP. Okay, here E equal to D and P equal to P. Okay. We know corresponding two angles are equal in two triangles. So corresponding third angle also equal. Okay. Next question. Triangle ABD similar to triangle CBE. Okay. Here we have to prove triangle ABD is similar to triangle CBE. See this figure. ABD. 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 Here angle D equal to 90 degrees. Angle E equal to 90 degrees. Angle D equal to angle E. And see. Common angle. Angle B is the common. CBE. This triangle. And ABD. ABD. This triangle. Angle B is the common. Okay. Second angle also equal. Based on the angle similarity criteria, triangle ABD, this is 90 degrees, this is common angle, is similar to triangle CBE. Okay. Third question. Here we have to prove that triangle AEP is similar to triangle ADB. Okay. See. AEP. Smaller triangle is similar to triangle ADB. Okay. Here angle A equal to angle A is the common angle. Okay. Next angle E equal to angle D. Angle equal to angle D. 90 degrees. Based on the angle similarity property. So triangle AEP is similar to triangle ADB. In same way, try to solve fourth question. Okay. Here D equal to E. Angle D equal to 90 degrees, angle E equal to 90 degrees, and common angle is C. Okay. So these two triangles are similar based on the angle similarity criteria.